we're going to start with an Asian pasta salad. What I'm going to do is show you how to put the sauce together. I already have like pasta in a bowl ready. Please try and use whole wheat. I actually didn't have whole wheat on hand, so I'm using actually what I have. I'm going to make this sauce with you, and for the sauce, we're going to blend it in the mixer, but you can whisk it also. But I just figured I'm going to blend it. It's 1, 2, 3 easy. So the first thing I'm going to use is a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to just fill that up with the low sodium. Oh, I think I just got enough there. That was lucky. Alrighty, so I'm going to pour that in. Then we're going to use a 1/4 cup of light olive oil. I'm just going to use a little bit of olive oil in this. A tablespoon of brown sugar. I've got my brown sugar there. Then 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. So 1, 2 of them. A tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh, teaspoon rather, I'm sorry. So let me get the right one. This is very strong, but it definitely makes it. I was a little bit less on there. And a fresh piece of ginger. You can also use powdered ginger if you don't have fresh. I chose to use fresh because I have it. So I'm going to put like a teaspoon of that. So you can add that to the ingredients that I mentioned previously. And it really, you know, I cut down a lot of the sugar. I saw some of these recipes online. I cut down a mound of sugar, and this really, really makes a difference. And I'm going to blend it 1 second. So you see you have a nice blended soy sauce in there. So what we're going to do, we've actually chopped up some red peppers. So we're going to add them to the pasta bowl. We've got some green peppers. We have some diced celery. And we have some ribbons of carrots. Great for vitamin C. And then I'm going to pour the sauce over the pasta. And I'm going to give it a good old toss. Toss it up. Now this could be refrigerated for like up to an hour in the fridge, and it's a great meal prep. You know, if you have this available, it's going to stop you eating rubbishy food outside, you know, junky food. It's really tasty. All right, and then at the end, I toasted some sesame. That requires sesame seeds, so I toasted some sesame seeds, and we're going to put them on the top after we plate it. But I did plate one already. I have right there, as you can see. So this is our sesame pasta.
Oh, that's beautiful. That looks
Thank
great.
You.
So
lots
colorful.
of colors, and the taste is actually really good. I had a little taster this morning. It was really, really good. This week, instead of doing infused water, I actually did an infused tea. I've got blueberry and citrus and basil, so I put some fresh basils and blueberries in there, and we're going to have a cold tea today to go with our Asian salads. All right. So very, very simple recipe. Lots of fun. A little bit of chopping at the beginning, but this is a great meal prep too. So just keep that in mind.